ideal, it's perfect for any agency, and probably I would say for any business out there looking to acquire leads in say any niche, right? So a lot of you guys must have heard about Leads Gorilla. I've spoken about that before, but this is something that has the Leads Gorilla features and so many more, right? So this is what the page looks like. IDMA SAAS, the lead generation software for lead generation. Discover all the marketing tools, limited and unlimited access. Platform offers you a suite of products that you can use for your marketing in order to grow your company, find leads, send emails, and create chatbots and more, right? So I'm going to run you guys through what the platform looks like, and also we're going to dive into how it works, right? So once you go to the link, I will be leaving a link in the description below. It does come with a free trial, so you can play around, you can test it out, you can see if it's something that you'd like, something that you find value in, and then you can take it from there. So if you're looking for something that would allow for you to find leads, detailed information about, you know, decision makers, this is the tool for you, right? This is what it looks like. Scroll down. So what's included: enriching data software to find new leads, emails, extract phone numbers, social media from a list of websites, so any website, literally. Find emails from first name, last name, and company name, so you can even just use someone's last and first name, and then you'll be able to find the emails. You can create chatbots in order to collect leads as well. You can check the daily registered websites on the web, right? So that means any new website that is being launched or that was made live, you can actually get access to it. You can see who the owners are, what it is about, etc. So this means you can directly contact these businesses just as they're coming online. Online management, online review management, right? It also has a email autoresponder or sequence that you can set up. It comes with a email verification. It has social proof in it. It also has a built-in CRM, so you can extract emails and do all these types of things, right? So this is what it looks like. It's quite easy to use. It's all online. It's accessible to anyone anywhere in the world. It does come with a free plan, so as you can see there, you can basically start for free. Over there is 1,000. Okay, then it moves on. As you can see, you can do quite a bit with this. You can create 10 chatbots. You can find 1,000 emails. 1,000 emails can be extracted from websites. 20 downloads, 500 leads collected with your chatbot. 5,000 emails to send, 5 senders, active campaigns, 5,000 contacts. So this is a lot more than any other email provider out there, just on the email cylinder. This is besides the chatbots, this is besides the leads itself. Then it also has other plans, so it has monthly plans and a yearly plan as well. Over there you can see the yearly plan, right? And if you're not sure whether this is for you, you can see that some of the biggest companies in the world are also using this particular platform. So that means if you were to, you know, sign up, whether it is that you're going to be testing it, know that the big names like Amazon, Coca-Cola, Google, Microsoft, and many other names are actually using it. So yeah, guys, you can start your free trial. I'll leave a link in the description below so that you can get some more information. So that's all for now in this particular video. I will be creating another video to show you guys more about the software itself. Thank you very much. Please do stay tuned. I will be sharing lots more on lead generation and agency tools, etc. Have a wonderful day.